Hi, I'm going to show you everything that the metal food grinder comes with, how to assemble it and how to use it. So starting with the body of the machine. The feed tray just pops on and off here. You have an auger which slides into the center of the body of the attachment. Then the blade. So the blade only goes one way. You get 3 different discs with the food grinder to choose from. So you get a finer 3mm disc, you get a medium 4.5mm disc, and then also an 8mm. So depending on what you want to grind, as to what disc you choose. I'm going to do some meat for mince, so I'm going to use the medium disc. So that slides onto the front of the machine there, and then you just screw the front plate on. So it's that easy to assemble. With the food grinder, you also get sausage stuffing tubes. So you get a 9.5mm sausage stuffing tube, or a thin, and then a thick 19mm sausage stuffing tube. And that's just the little plate that you use for your sausage stuffing. Another handy inclusion is the cleaning brush. So when you're finished your mincing, your grinding, this little brush really gets into the holes of the plates to clean them out, and also into the body of the machine. So this is very, very handy. So when cleaning, your discs are stainless steel, so they are fine for the dishwasher, but the body of the machine is aluminium. So please keep that out of the dishwasher and only hand wash only. And lastly, you have your little food tamper, which you just push your meat down into the machine. So now I'm going to attach it to the attachment hub. I'm going to remove my bowl from the machine, attach the food grinder, just hand tighten the little screw. You don't need to do it too tightly. Same with the plate here, you just need to hand tighten that. Don't make it really, really tight, otherwise it pushes the blade and the disc together and it makes it harder for the ingredients to come out. So just hand tighten with that one. Okay, I'm going to pop the bowl, the front of the attachment. Then I'm going to turn the mixer on to speed 6. You want the mixer to do the work for you. I've got some rump steak here. I've cut it into long thin strips, which just makes it easier for the auger to grab. And then I'm just going to place it in. A lot of the time with softer thing like mince, chicken, fish, you don't even need to use the tamper. The auger grabs hold of the meat and pushes it through for you. And there you go, beautiful, fresh beef mince for your bologneses or for your sausage, or for your sausages.